Andhra Pradesh sees positive rate in schools colleges at tiny 0.3%. Karnataka school converts land into farms. Teacher resort to menial jobs to survive pandemic. Nasik schools to remain shut till January 4th. Karnataka schools to take decision on reopening of schools on November 23rd. CBSE Class 12 Board 2021 Board alerts question paper pattern. Schools in Aurangabad to remain closed till Jan 3rd. Assam reconsiders reopening of schools. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN and the daily stories are. Over 2 weeks after reopening of schools in Andhra Pradesh, 1,481 cases of COVID-19, including 1,023 teachers and 458 students, have been detected. The cases were reported after tests were conducted on nearly 5 lakh teachers and students at around 40,000 schools. However, only 10 college lecturers and students were diagnosed with COVID-19 among the 1.8 lakh who were underwent testing in last 2 weeks of about 5,500 colleges. The Shantiniketan Central School of Kaduru Taluk in Chikmagalur district of Karnataka has converted open areas about 2.5 acres into farms and empty classrooms into workshop space. The school management and the teachers are using the premises to grow flowers, beans, brinjal and chilli. This is being done as they are in financial distress following the COVID-19 pandemic and are making ends meet by doing menial jobs. Some private schools in the rural areas still waiting for the financial assistance from the government. Management of these schools said that the government has not provided with them any kind of aid for teachers or housekeeping staff. Citing the warnings posted by the second wave of COVID-19, strong resistance from the parents about sending the children to their schools and lack of infrastructure to treat only the children affected by the virus. The District Guardian Minister Chhagan Bhujbal on Sunday announced that the reopening of schools across the district has been postponed until January 4th. Reviewed the COVID-19 situation in the district with authorities from revenue, health, police and local self-governing bodies and said that the decision is being postponed given by the collective opinion about the same. The Karnataka government is to decide on reopening of schools in the state today. A meeting with regard to is likely to take place between Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and the Primary and Secondary Minister S. Sureshkumar along with officials of the Education, Health and Social Welfare Departments. The opinion of parents, teachers and students has been collected from various parts of the state on the reopening of schools and has been documented in the form of report which will be presented before the Chief Minister and others on November 23rd, said the sources in the Education Department on Sunday. After reducing 30% of the syllabuses for Class 12, the Central Board of Secondary Education has now changed the question paper pattern, adding more weightage to the multiple choices based questions and those based into the case studies. After sample question papers for Class 10 and 12 were given out, schools said the weightage of the MCQs had increased nearly 10%. Schools in Aurangabad to remain closed till Jan 3rd, while those in the rural areas of the district will reopen on November 23rd as reported by the senior officials on Saturday. Speaking at a press conference, District Collector Sunil Chauhan said over 800 schools and junior colleges in rural parts of this district will reopen from November 23rd, as there are problems in conducting online classes in these areas and spread of coronavirus is also less in these parts. Closure of schools in North and West Indian states due to the rise of COVID cases has driven the Assam government to review its plan to reopen primary schools in the state from December 1st. Top officials in the State Education Department said the state was seriously reviewing the impact of COVID-19 in the state schools where positive cases have been detected since the formal reopening of educational institutions from November 2nd. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website which is www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.